I mean, the Bluebell Room really is a project that symbolises collaboration and one that really cares about its community. So my name is Rhianne. I am the owner of Seasonal Soul Home in the Cotswolds, and I met the Sue Ryder team here at the hospice in June of 2023. I got to know the team through their presentations where they were talking about some of the areas that they needed some support with, and one of which actually led on to a room, this room here that we're in, that was in a little bit of a sort of cold and clinical state actually way back when. Obviously when you start a project you're very much focused on who's using the space and actually who's going to really benefit, going forward. So those conversations took shape and actually really gave the brief for what the room needed to sort of look and feel. So we really wanted to focus on a calm approach really in the room, but we knew that we could introduce some warmth. And so we were looking for suppliers and donations that could really help bring that to life.
So I'm Gemma, I work for a company called Barnwood Limited, so we're a construction and fit out company. We got involved with this project at Sue Ryder back in 2023. We have quite a passion about social value and we supported Sue Ryder that year. Our employees chose it as their charity of choice. So when we met with Rhianne at one of their functions and got talking about the project, we were really keen to be involved. So we can offer the fit out of the room. So that's something we talked about a lot, and a lot of the team came together from our joinery workshop and throughout the shop fitting division to work with Rhianne on her designs and really find a way to bring them to life.
Hi, I'm Bill. I'm from Warwick Fabrics. We are a Gloucester-based company supplying furnishing fabrics to the domestic and commercial industry. We've been doing this for over 40 years. We got involved in this project after Rhianne contacted us to help with the supply of the fabrics for the seating area. And we kind of carefully chose this fabric because of its durability, easy clean and antimicrobial properties.
Hi, I'm Alice from Just Fabrics, and we were really pleased and proud to be thought of by Rhianne, who included us in the collaboration of this really special project. We were really happy to donate the fabrics that the amazing sewing group have made into cushions, and we've also made this beautiful Roman blind and installed it for the team. And it's really wonderful to see everything here today and the space really come together as a whole.
And I guess the theory behind the space is that it becomes a supportive space. And the proof is that it already is becoming that. We know since the space was near enough completed in the spring this year, it actually has gone on now to support more and more patients and will grow, I think, within the growth of services available here at the hospice. And it's been lovely to hear the team's feedback in terms of actually how they're using the space and how much of a difference that's making.